Hi, I'm Steve from Amtech. We've been asked a few questions about our 4-in-1 ratchet pruner, so I'm just going to give you a quick product run through. So this is the Amtech 4-in-1 ratchet pruner, product code U0485. We've been asked a few questions. First question is, how do we open it? You can see there's a red button on the product, so depress the handle slightly and just slide the button to one side and they should pop open. The next question we get asked is, where is the fold out stainless steel blade? That's just on the end here. It's a very sharp little stainless steel blade, ideal for cutting through thorny patches and things where you don't want to put your hands into. So the next question we've been asked is, what's the thickness we can cut? So I would say about the thickness of a 20 pence. If we open up the secateurs, I have a stick here. It's got a couple of different ends on it. This one is about the thickness of a 20 pence. Put it in. You can hear the ratchet work its way through and cutting off the stick. When you come to smaller bits, again let the ratchet do the work. As you can see, 20 pence piece is about the maximum size that you can cut through. For any other questions regarding tools for the home, garage and garden, please visit amtechdiy.com and we look forward to answering them for you. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our Amtech DIY YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.